Here I'm going to show you how to install the Facebook Pixel and your Google Analytics code into your Shopify store. So the first thing you need to do is log into your online Shopify store, navigate to Online Store and Preferences. Now, the first thing we're going to install is the Pixel, and it is as simple as pasting your Facebook Pixel ID here. So to get that, we need to jump into your Ads Manager, and in the menu, go All Tools, Measure and Report, and Pixels. And then you just want to highlight your Pixel ID and copy that. Go back to your store, paste it under Pixel ID, and save. Then you just want to check that that is all installed correctly. So you want to go to your store homepage, and using the Facebook Pixel Helper, which is just a Chrome extension that you can just search for Facebook Pixel Helper in the Chrome extension, it's showing that my Pixel is now installed, and this is the same Pixel ID as I have in my ad account. So it's as simple as that. If you ever get stuck, there's also a step-by-step walkthrough in the Ads Manager. So when you go Setup and choose Integration for Shopify, it's going to walk you through those same steps I've just walked you through. Now, the next thing we want to do is install the Google Analytics code in our Shopify website. So to do that, you just want to go and log into your Google Analytics account. Then you want to go to Admin. And under Property, you want to go to Tracking Info. Then click on Tracking Code. Copy that code. And then back in your preferences under Google Analytics, you just want to paste that code and save. Now again, to check if that is installed, you will just refresh your home page and right-click View Page Source and Control Find if you're on a Mac. And you just want to search UA dash, and that will take you to your Google Analytics code. So you just want to cross-check that with your Analytics UA code here, 31-1. Yep, that's correct. And now you know that's all installed correctly. And it's as simple as that.